In this video, we will discuss about basic difference between data and information. Data is a collection of facts. Information is how you understand those facts in context. Data does not depend on information. Information depends on data. Data comes in the form of letters, numbers, or a character set. Information is refined form of actual data. Data is unorganized. Information is organized. Input to any system may be treated as data. Output after processing is information. Data is measured in bits and bytes. Information if mostly measured in units like quantity, time, etc. Data is huge in its volume. Information is less in volume. Understanding data is difficult. Understanding information is easy. Data is not typically useful on its own. Information is useful on its own. Data is low level of knowledge. Information is second level of knowledge. Data is collection of raw facts and figures. Information is processed data. Data is an individual unit that contains raw material. Information is a group of data. Data is structured either in graphs, data trees, flowchart, or tables. Information is represented as ideas, thoughts, and languages. Data cannot be utilized for decision-making. Information widely utilized for decision-making.